food from today. Yesterday full day I had a lot of junk. So from today I'm planning, not sure, but I'm planning to be very strict on my diet. When I worked out for 10, 11 months almost and achieved this body, I don't want to lose it just because of some pizza or something like that. Trying to be back on diet. By the way, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. I'm feeling very hungry though. See, this is the problem when you eat a lot of carbs. Last night I had pizza, Haldiram ka sweet, I had rasgulla, I had chocolava cake, all the possible ganda sa junk I put in my body. And today as soon as I got up, stomach started acting in a weird way because first it had all this kind of junk literally 10, 11 months or maybe 1 year back. But chalo, abhi I'm trying to eat clean. Let's see how much I can do it, if I can find my food and all that. So every day morning I have a scoop of protein shake and after that 3 whole eggs. That's a weighing scale. He's weighing his panniers. He's trying to weigh his panniers so that he can balance it out.
Lift.
Ducati riders, you know.
That's a long thing.
మరి అంత ఒక్కొక్కటి చూడకండి అంత డీప్ గా చేతితో ఇట్లా కోసి అది చేసి పోడే
తిప్పితే చూస్తాడు. అరే ఓసిడి చైతన్య నువ్వు కూడా ఇంత చేయలేదు.
టూ మచ్ రే, దిస్ ఇస్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్.
నీ పానియర్స్ ఎక్కడికి వస్తాయి? నీతో పాటు ఓసిడి కూడా వస్తున్నాయి.
లేట్ 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 లేట్. This fellow made me eat all the junk yesterday. Now I'm feeling a bit funny. Double cheese pizza, rasgulla, chocolava cake, pav bhaji. Arre pav bhaji marchipoyina. Pav bhaji, raj kachori. Inka sweet lime, fresh lime, sorry. Garlic bread. Luckily it is not stuffed with garlic. That's it. One day done. Yesterday full on cheat kar liya. Today back to normal. I had my 3 omelets. Are you following your diet, Kishore?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Be careful with this fellow. He'll make you cheat like crazy.
Careful, girl. Very careful.
Arey, do we need to lube the bikes? 500 kilometers okay, I think we should lube it. We need to lube the bikes. Except this fellow. Shaft. Actually not required. I think tonight we'll do it. Let's hit Bhopal. That's the place we stayed in. It's called Chalets. Trebo Chalets. Very good place. Recommended. All ready to roll. Cleaning the visors. Time is around 9:30. We should be able to do it around. Hooray! Hopefully we should reach in the next 7 hours. I don't know how the roads are. Let's see about that. Doesn't matter. Adventure to the set after. So 354 kilometers, 7 or 8 minutes as of now. Should be able to do it. I should be able to beat Google's time. Let's see. See in a GoPro mode. Okay, leaving Nagpur exactly at 9:40. Perfect weather to ride. 25 degrees. Amazing. This is how the weather should be, yaar. Yesterday though, horrible weather. Nice clear skies right now. Yesterday though, you guys know it was like full on raining, cold. Literally 20 degrees, 17, 18 degrees raining. It was horrible. It is going to be a little bit of traffic as we exit Nagpur. After that it should be fine. Maybe around 7 or 8 kilometers. After that proper NH44 I think, I'm not sure. Till Bhopal roads are amazing. That's what I've heard. Let's see about that. Charan and Srujan are navigating. We don't need navigation actually, but just to exit the city, it's going to be taking us through all these shortcuts and all that, so we want to avoid that. Once we exit we don't need any navigation. It is a weekend, so you don't have traffic. It's a Saturday today. No, generally yeah, if you compare it to our cities, metro cities, it's much better. And it should be like this, yaar. It's so nice. See, aram se we can go. Charan was primarily here for one thing. He wanted to stop at Nagpur for Haldiram's. He wanted to go to the restaurant and eat the thali, Haldiram's ka thali. But we were not able to do that one thing. We were all so lazy that we ordered food from Swiggy last night. Of course, he ordered from Haldiram's. We are not actually tired. We are sleep deprived. And once again, our horn is not working. Arey, idoka norm అయిపోయిందిరా. రైడ్లో హార్న్ పని చేయదు, వర్షం పడాలి, నేను హైదరాబాద్లో పోతే ట్రాఫిక్ రావాలి, నేను బ్లాగ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫ్లైట్స్ రావాలి. ఇదొక నామ్ అయిపోయింది. బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ చేస్తుండేవాడు. అరే గ్రీన్ ఉంది, వచ్చేయండి. Nice. Almost 9:45 and there's no traffic. Beautiful. Green, 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 green. Oh yo, oh yo, oh yo, oh yo. Oh yes, our coupon code Shriman Oyo is still active. You can use it if you want up to 60% off. This is the right of India. Come in opposite direction with a lorry. Perfect. Oh, by the way, this is the first time we are taking this route ever in our lives. We always went straight up. This is Nagpur se left. This is one irritating sound. What is that irritating sound? We'll not tell. Only with the
On the move.
only with the arrow exhaust. Acro no. Acropovic. ఏదో ఒకటి సౌండ్ మాత్రం ఆన్ చేయగానే ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇరిటేటింగ్. వెన్ యూ రెవ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నైస్. మోర్ దెన్ దిస్ వన్ ఇరిటేటింగ్ థింగ్ ఇస్ I think this has become a norm for me. Every time I'm in a ride, I have to check my horn. This is not working again. See that? What do I do, dude? How do I make this work? Arre, the wire nikal gaya. You see this? I fixed it back. Hopefully it should work. Now it works. It works now, but when you're on the ride, it doesn't. This was opened. This was removed. Actually, it is loose. See this? Obviously, when you're doing like 120, 130 kilometers an hour, it comes out. So I should fix this properly. Tight karna hai isko. How do I do it? Abhi to I can't do it much. But wire nikal gaya pura. You see this? It is so loose. Ruko, what's up?
Devendra.
What's up and pine చూస్తున్నాం. Sky. What's up and sky చూస్తున్నాం.
Obviously అదే కదా పైన.
Duko sky hook suspension ఇట్లనే ఉంటారు. Hey, do you have sky hook suspension?
Yeah, bro.
This one has it. You know what is sky hook suspension? Very complicated to explain. Google karna.
Explain it. Watch my video.
Cheppu male. Simple, quick.
It's a semi-active suspension.
Basically, it tries to be parallel with the sky.
అని వాడు చెప్పాడు.
కాదా?
అని వాడు చెప్పాడు.
డుకాటి వాడు చెప్పాడు.
బెంగళూరు వాడు చెప్పిండ్రా.
It's hooked to the sky. With weight balance చూసారు కదా పొద్దున.
Suspension system है.
सेमी एक्टिव ये दो ले ये हम है, ये हमारा डार्क हॉर्स है, ये हमारा रेड हॉर्स है.
ये हम है, ये हमारी बाइक है. यहाँ पारी हो रही है.
ये हम है, ये हमारा डार्क हॉर्स है. पारी है अनरा.
पारी है ये नक्कीरा.
See for this also you need proper.
ये हम है, ये हमारी गाड़ी है. వదిలేసా మూడున్నర.
నేనేం చేశారా? Roads are excellent, like 10 on 10. Literally from Nagpur at least till here 130-140 kilometers we've done, and pace was amazing, like one of the best paces we've ever had in the recent rides. ऐसे निकल गया पूरा kilometers. Amazing. I'm loving this ride. So as usual we're making plans on the go. that's the thing I keep doing. I rest my right foot to the brake. That's what Rochi was telling me to remove it. I keep doing this since day one of my rides. Literally since Benelli days. I don't know, I'm used to that. How much ever I try removing it. Nowadays I'm better, but still I end up doing it. And yeah, Bhopal 220 kilometers left. I think we can do it in the next 3 to 4 hours. Max 5 hours, including a break. We need to stop for lunch. I think time is around 12 o'clock right now. But yeah, seriously, roads are superb. Just like that, you can maintain like 120-130 kilometers an hour average. See, look at this. Beautiful. I mean, not the scenery, nothing scenic here. I'm talking about the roads. Tiger, as usual, performing excellent. Horn is again not coming. I think it came out. Did it come out? Yes. That switch came out again. I'll do one thing. Once we stop for lunch, properly I'll fix it there. Maybe I'll put some glue or something and stick it there permanently. I hope that should work. So now let's go. Catch my friends. The moment I said roads are excellent, it's like this. In the last, I think, 50 kilometers, 50-60 kilometers at least, we have only single lanes and it's like this. I think it is showing 114 kilometers from here. 114 kilometers, 3 hours. That means it's gonna be like this till Bhopal. 14, 171 చూపిస్తుంది. I don't know. It's showing 4 hours 20 minutes, 171 kilometers. Something wrong. Anyways, we just stopped here. I will have some lunch and then push off. Oh, what a lineup. ఇంత లైనప్ పెట్టుకొని ఎవరు చూడొద్దంటే కష్టం కదా. It's been very long since we've done this.
Yeah, I missed it.
Ready to eat. I have my tiffin box. It's gonna come out again, once again. After 2-3 days. No, after 2 days. Yesterday full
One
pizza,
day.
rasgulla, ఆ షేక్ ఈ షేక్ అన్నీ తాగినాం. ఇవాళ కొంచెం ఆరామ్సే. Let's have my tiffin box and back to the diet. వీళ్ళేం చేస్తారు ఇట్లా?
Chilling, bro. We need lunch.
అదేం
For
chilling?
lunch.
ఇక్కడ రండి ఒకసారి. మీకు ఒకటి చూపిస్తా. It will be worth it. Come here. I'll show you something. Come. దా. అట్లాంటివి కాదు నాన్న.
కూడా రెడీగా ఉంది.
నా బైక్ బీక్ పడిపోయింది. Where is the beak? Where is the beak? My mukku fell down. Thanks to someone, I posted an Instagram story today morning. Na? Someone saw it. All that is okay, bro. Instagram story is good, but where is the beak? అన్నాడు. అవునా? ఒక్క నిమిషం అని చూసాను. ఇప్పుడే చూసాను నేను ఒక సౌండ్ వచ్చింది పడినట్టు. బట్ ఐ డెంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ముందర బండి ఏమైనా వచ్చి పడదేమో అనుకున్నా. నాకు తెలిసి ఎవరిని పట్టుకోలేదు దీనికి. వీఆర్ నాట్ మిస్సింగ్ సోలాపూర్ రోడ్స్. Last 50 kilometers it is like this, single lane. They are making a proper 4 lane here, but I think it's going to take at least 2 years. As per the maps, 108 kilometers, 3 hours, 2 hours 50 minutes properly. Whatever the pace we did till now, waste ho gaya pura. Re. भैया ओ भैया फोटो हो ना आपको फोटो लेना है, ले लो ना. I think we reached the highway now. పొద్దు నుంచి అంటున్నా మాట. I think అరే finally we got the highway. హోప్ఫుల్లీ ఇదర్ సే పూరా 4 lane హైవే టిల్ సేనా అయిపోయింది కదరా, తీసుకో ఇంకోటి. హోప్ఫుల్లీ ఇదర్ సే భోపాల్ తక్ వీ హ్యావ్ గుడ్ 4 lane హైవే లైక్ దిస్. హోప్ఫుల్లీ లెట్స్ సీ. 58 kilometers from here, 1 hour 20 minutes. Yeah, this is one thing we don't have in Hyderabad. Separate bus lane. Okay, officially this is the first time we entered Bhopal. I didn't put on any weight, right? Did I? No, all perfect. Actually, I'm a little bit worried since yesterday because I had so much of food. Someone is calling me. Tamil Nadu se call. Yesterday I had so much of food that I was really worried. I felt like I put on some weight. It happens, you know. Why am I telling you all this? So that I feel responsible. When I say something in front of the camera, I try to do it. I try to follow it because I feel responsible that, chalo, people are watching me. I have to be responsible. I have to ride responsibly because people are watching me. I have to eat responsibly because people are watching me. Anyways, we are here. We reached Bhopal in like 7 hours including breaks, which is amazing pace. After 150 kilometers from Nagpur, roads were properly ebbed up. We didn't like it. For now, I think today we don't have anything much to do. We'll not be going out. Proper exploration is not going to start now. That's going to start from, I think, next destination. We are here for 2 days. Tomorrow we are planning to explore Bhopal. I'll be talking to some of my friends who have visited Bhopal before. If they suggest something interesting, then we'll probably go and explore those places. For now, how's the tea? Works?
6 out of 10.
Abo, it works.
Shriman.
Yeah, that's the reason I got my own coffee. KFC. ఇప్పుడు మాడు తింటాడు చూడు. This is just the beginning.
Snacks ready.
Try to order kebabs, but everywhere it says 1 hour to deliver. I thought there's popcorn chicken. Hey, good boy. Kaise ho, Eleanor? Hope everyone is doing great. A very good morning from Bhopal. Today is day 3 actually. Hyderabad to Nagpur, day 1. Nagpur to Bhopal, day 2. Yes, day 3. Today it is a layover here in Bhopal. We are planning to explore a little bit of Bhopal. We shortlisted like 3 places, I think. Udaipur Caves and then Sanchi Stupa, Bhojpur Temple. These are 3 places we're going to explore today. We're staying here in Clarkson. Pretty small room. You can see the entire room is filled with all our mess. Breakfast because sub ho gaya. I'm ready as well. Just need to check with the others if they're ready. Let's go. And by the way, we are not taking our bikes and going today because, you know, when you go to all these tourist places, it is difficult to park your bikes. Your mind is always there, your heart is always there with the bikes, which we don't want. We wanted to explore the place with a peace of mind. We're going to take an Innova and go around. I think these places are like 60-70 kilometers from here. It should take 1 hour one side. By the time we come back to the hotel, it's going to be evening. So yeah, that's the plan for today. It is hot. It is properly hot in Bhopal. Raat mein it is like 10 degrees, 11 degrees, but in the mornings, I think it is like properly hot. Right now I feel it's around 30 degrees. Feels like 27, 28. Where are these dudes?
ये भी है ना? ये
तो सांची भी जा.
So finally we decided. हम हैदराबाद से.
अच्छा हैदराबाद.
So that's the plan. We've decided to go to Sanchi first. It's not Sanchi, it is Sachi. Sachi है ना भैया? Sachi Stupa.
जी सर.
It's not Sanchi, Sachi Stupa. By the way, I forgot my mask. I'm wearing my kerchief. 70 kilometers इधर से. और वो उदयगिरी केव्स जा सकते हैं हम उधर से? नहीं तो दूर पड़ेगा.
उदयगिरी तो सर दूर पड़ेगा सर, टाइम हो जाएगा.
साची देखने में कितना टाइम लगेगा?
उदयपुर वहाँ पर इतना वो देखने लायक नहीं है जितना यहाँ पर आपको सीहोर में, मतलब ये भोजपुर में अच्छा लगेगा.
अच्छा. So the driver is suggesting that we go to Bhojpur temple. It will be more interesting than the Udaipur caves. Problem is Sachi Stupa is one side and Bhojpur temple is the other side, so it's going to take extra time. Finally we reached the Sachi Stupa. Apparently it is on a hilltop. A little bit of guard road. Took a lot of time, right?
Yeah.
1.5 hour? I think bikes maybe would come in 1 hour, 45 minutes max we would reach. Actually we could have got the bikes and come because there's a lot of parking here. No issues for that. How was your limousine experience?
అలా అన్నాడు.
నువ్వు అట్లనే ఉంటావు కదరా, కొత్తగా నుంచి ఉంటుంది. So do you know the history of this place? It seems this stupa was built like the emperor Ashoka.
The
in
Great.
3rd century BC. 3rd century BC mein they built this. This is like one of the oldest stupas in India. Or maybe even in the world. This is like 150 feet in diameter and it's like 50 feet tall, which means approximately 6 floors tall. That is the stupa. We'll be going close, but इधर से एक बार देख लो. No, there's not one. There are like I think 5 or 6 stupas here in this location. Entrance gate तो इधर है.
तो जैन मथुरा सिल्क रूट विदिशा जुड़ा था, उसका ट्रेड रूट असो कई बार आता है बिजनेस के लिए.
Okay, I just learned that this exact stupa is there on a 200 rupee note. All this I didn't know this. For the ones who don't know, learn.
मतलब अशोक का संबंध बुद्ध के
Somehow these days, wherever we're going to stupas. When we went to Vizag, we went to stupa. Recently, where did we go? Uttarakhand ride me also I went to stupa. What was that place? Yeah, this is like the oldest it seems in India.
It's like the biggest in
3 BC.
Most historical in India.
Or maybe even in the world.
Probably.
One of them.
And what makes me proud is the gates are built by Telugu people.
Telugu people from Andhra.
Satakarni.
Satakarni,
Gautami Putra Satakarni.
Gautami Putra Satakarni.
Satakarni.
There's a movie also.
Satavahana ruler.
Yeah, there's a movie also in
So,
Telugu by
Mauryans
Balakrishna.
And then Satavahanas, and there is another dynasty which ruled it.
I don't know about the stupas, but this is something interesting here. This is a maze. From upar you can see it like a maze, but it's not like tall, so you'll not get lost in it. And we have a swimming pool too. No, you can get your camera inside. Luckily they did not ask us for any separate ticket for a video camera. But thing is, you can't take the tripod. Proper 3-leg tripod is not allowed. Something like the single leg tripod is allowed.
Solo pod.
Solopod, monopod, solopod కాదు. Solo ride, mono ride కాదు. I think government should allow people to record videos. If you're doing something wrong, if you're doing something bad, maybe it's not allowed, but if you're like actually showcasing something beautiful like this, I think you should be allowed to videograph. Thing is, YouTubers like us, we can also talk of the place, we can showcase it properly and let people know about the place more. Suppose in case they did not allow us to vlog here, I wouldn't be able to showcase anything, right? You people wouldn't know that this place existed. Some of you. Okay, this is the second place we're going to. Bhimbetka. Bhimbaitika. Hindi mein that's what it's written. Actually it seems we passed through the same highway. We could have come here yesterday itself, but obviously I don't think we would do that on the bikes with all the jackets and the helmet and all that. I don't think we would come. 150 rupees for 6 people. ये कार एंट्री का टिकट है भाई. कार एंट्री का है टिकट. I think because it's a Sunday, there's a lot of public. Somehow today we are seeing all oldest stuff. First we saw the oldest stupa, one of the oldest stupa in India, and this is the oldest cave in India, in Asia. That was 3 BC. This is
10,000 years old.
10,000 years old. Wikipedia पे चल रहा है. It is 10,000 years old. The oldest cave painting, cave art in the world.
It's not called
One of the. Cave 1, Cave 2, Cave 3. Just kidding, it's not like that.
But how did they get up there for 10,000 years ago?
Okay, so let me show you the artwork here. I mean, you can't see it like very clearly.
करना शुरू किया तो with the help of elephants they migrate, तो elephant के जरिए migrate करना शुरू किया. तो ये 2000
Oh, this is the rock shelter number 4. So near every rock you have numbers, and here you can see proper paintings. Oh yes, lot of painting here. What do you call this? Rock paintings or rock art?
Rock painting.
Rock paintings. This is like legit 10,000 years old.
More than that,
More than that.
probably.
I don't know. Wikipedia mein I saw it says 10,000 years old. This looks like a proper Bahubali set. Actually బాగుంది ఇది. I mean, I saw some paintings,
Paintings here.
but very.
That's an elephant.
Yes, horse. I can see the horse.
Oh, there are some paintings here. I need more paintings. Where are the colors? ఈ గుట్టలు అయితే మా మామూలు గుట్టలు కూడా ఉన్నాయి.
ఏం అడుగుతున్నారా?
And they said it's rich colors and all they wrote. ఈ మాత్రం రాళ్ళ రప్పలు మా ఇంటి దగ్గర కూడా ఉన్నాయి.
పెయింటింగ్ లేదుగా.
మనం వేద్దాం.
అక్కడ హస్బెండ్ వైఫ్ అండ్ కిడ్ ఉన్నారు చూడు.
Finally we found one good painting red color में. యాక్చువల్లీ కరెక్ట్. సో ఈ రాయి ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకొని అక్కడి నుంచి నుంచొని అక్కడ పెయింటింగ్ చేసిండు అనమాట. ఎరా బుజ్జి మనకు అవసరం ఇవన్నీ రాళ్ళు రప్పలు చూపిస్తున్నాం.
టెంపుల్కి తీసుకెళ్తే ప్రసాదాన్న పెట్టావు. అదైతే చూడాలి.
అయినా వీళ్ళకి ఏడ ప్లేస్ లేనట్టు కింద పైన ఏకుండా మరి రూఫ్ పైన సీలింగ్ల పైన వాటర్ వెళ్ళిపోయినా అన్నయ్య. ఓ పడుకొని చూడ్డానికా?
దాని ముందు ఒక మనిషి ఉన్నాడు.
ఇక్కడ సబ్బు పెట్టుకునేటోళ్ళు సబ్బు పెట్టి
బాగా వాడారా?
మా అమ్మగారు సబ్బు పెట్టి
వైట్ కలర్ అంట. అక్కడ ఏ మార్కులు ఉన్నాయి?
వీడు ఫంగస్ మార్కులు కూడా చూపించి ఇదే పెయింటింగ్ అంటుండు.
ఊపిరి సినిమా చూడలే?
ఇవన్నీ చూపించి చుక్కలు ఈ సేయింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ పెయింటింగ్స్. దోస్ ఆర్ ఫంగస్ మార్క్స్. Yeah, but one thing they should have done is they should have put some mark or something like that, an arrow mark or something, that there's a painting. Like this is difficult to search. People were asking me about my tiger beak na, idhar hai. BCలో గుర్రాలు ఉన్నాయంట. Sony A7 में actually Sony A7 made me show all of this. I was not able to see it with the naked eye. I was able to find this painting through this lens. I think it's చాలా clarity కనిపిస్తుంది. So that white patch you see, that is like a fossil 575 million years old. It's called Dickinsonia. మాకు బేసిక్గా ఒకటి అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ ఏం తెలుసా? దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ అ గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ. ఈచ్ రాక్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ లైక్ అ విల్లా నెంబర్. సో విల్లా నెంబర్ 1 విల్లా నెంబర్ 2 లాగా రాక్ నెంబర్ 1 రాక్ షెల్టర్ నెంబర్ 2.
క్లబ్ హౌస్ ఎక్కడ?
అది అక్కడికి వస్తున్నా. వెరీ క్విక్ బ్రో. అది క్లబ్ హౌస్.
మనం అక్కడే ఉన్నాం. స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ఉందా?
ఉందిరా.
స్కాష్ కోర్ట్
ఉందిరా. రాళ్ళతో కొట్టుకోవాలి. Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. There was more of exploration, and oh yes, from morning all of us just had protein bars. Not all of us, at least I had 2 protein bars from morning. This was my lunch, so I think now I'll be ordering some good food. Good food as in, you guys know, chicken. Now time is, we just reached 7:45, almost 8 o'clock. We'll just have to pack everything and just crash because tomorrow early morning we have to start for sure, because it's gonna be like 600 kilometers. This is gonna be the longest leg of the trip. Oh, by the way, I did not tell you where are we going. Right? Tomorrow we're going to leave to Jaipur. Yes, from my location to the hotel we're going to in Jaipur is 10 hours 56 minutes, proper 11 hours journey, 612 kilometers. That's going to be pretty long. And the problem is, it seems it's like a proper 4 lane. Most of it is 4 lane, but there is around 150 kilometers of a single lane road. I think once we enter Rajasthan, roads are going to be good.
Let's go figure out dinner and then get back to work.
I think I'll end the vlog here.
Hey, you got a bag chai inspired,
yes. Oh yes, this tip, one tip we have to give you. You also get, these are called packing cubes. Okay, you get this on Amazon. Amazon Basics ka hai ye. For 800 rupees or something, you get 4 packing cubes. Nicely you can arrange all your clothes like that and zip it off. Inspired by Chaitanya. Just while coming, I removed these bags. I called him and said, Chaitanya, how do I use these? Because there were 4 of these bags. I was not able to figure out what to put where. So he explained, इसमें t-shirts डालो, उसमें underwear डालो, इसमें toiletries डालो बोल के. But actually, when you put all of them together, they look nice and clean. Easy to assemble your stuff. Organize your stuff.
వాడు ఎత్తుక్కోవడం కన్సెప్ట్ తీసుకుంటాడు.
వాడే చైతన్య. Good tip, but seriously, try it out. Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and
Subscribe.
see you guys in the next vlog. I thought I ended this vlog. Time is literally 11:30. We have to sleep now because early morning we're planning to leave tomorrow. We should leave by 6:30. 7 at least the bike should start. Should go out of the gate.
అలా వెళ్ళాలి అంటే వీడు మనల్ని ఇప్పుడు వదలాలి.
ఈడేమో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాడు. పొద్దు నుంచి రావట్లేదు మా దగ్గరికి. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి ఇట్లా
కొన్ని అద్భుతాలు చూసా.
మనం మాట్లాడుకోదట. We shouldn't be talking about all that. Secrets.
బిల్డప్ ఇక్కడ కాదు, మిర్రర్ లేవు.
ఆఫ్టర్ చూసుకోండి and just now Srujan showed me something fancy.
ఫ్యాన్సీ కాదు, బౌన్సీ అది.
Bouncy. How did you discover this? By the way,
ఫీచర్ లో వచ్చింది.
ఫీచర్లో వచ్చిందంట. పోయి అది
కాదు, ఇటు తిప్పు కెమెరాని. అది మడతలు ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఇది మడతలు లేనప్పుడు.
అరే దీంట్లో మడతలు ఎక్కువ రా, మిషలిన్ మడతలు రా.
మిషలిన్
dude, this is next level. I thought I was the heaviest last year, but this is Coorg. Me and Sharan went to Coorg, na? Benedict days.
This is heavy duty రే.
అరే ఇంద్రాడు ఎవడ్రా వీడు? అదే ముఖం ఇంత బాడీ ఇంత ఉంది.
మిషలిన్ మడతలు సెట్.
Any more?
I don't know, but you look best if you are somewhere in between this and that.
And this is looking nice, no?
No.
నువ్వు ఈ ట్రిప్ అయినప్పుడు నేను చేసేదట్టు ఉన్నావులే మళ్ళీ అదే ఫామ్లోకి. ఎవ్రీడే దిస్ డూడ్ ఈస్ ఆర్డరింగ్ ఆల్ ది బుల్షిట్ అండ్ మేకింగ్ మీ ఇట్. వాస్తు బాగాలేదు, రూమ్కి రాను నేను. మళ్ళీ అది ఎత్తుకిండి రాడు. ఒక్కటి ఉంది, వీ హ్యావ్ 1 photo of Srujan, 1 video clip of Srujan, Ladakh, that will never be shown to you guys. Never. Impossible. Don't ask, okay? Sorry for telling you this, but we can't tell you. We can't show you.